For tonight, I'll have Rosina's hand.
Okay, Alekino, this is the last straw. You have stolen my money and my jewels. I'm going to blow this whistle and call the police.
I gave them to you.
I'll count till 3, and if you don't tell me where they are, I'm going to blow this whistle and the whole place will be crawling with cops. 1.
I gave them to you in the street.
2.
Have you gone right down the bend?
2.5.
Oh, don't blow the whistle. I'm innocent.
3. Here they come.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Okay, Alekino, this is the last straw. You have stolen my money and my jewels. I'm going to blow this whistle and call the police.
I gave them to you.
I'll count till 3, and if you don't tell me where they are, I'm going to blow this cop and the whole place will be crawling with whistles. 1.
I gave them to you in the street.
2.
Have you gone right on the bend?
2.5.
Oh, blow the whistle.
2 3/4. Police?
Apparently.
You have got to arrest this man, because he is my servant, and he was supposed to bring some jewels from Bergamo, but he stolen them.
Oh, this is diabolical!
Sorry?
You're sorry. Whoa! Oh! 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 Oh!
Hey, bring back the jewels when you find them. They were my uncle's, you know. He gave them to me on my deathbed. Yeah, that's right.
My dearest, have pity on me.
Huh?
Do not leave me. I implore you. I've risked life and honor for you.
For me?
Yes, I love you. I worship you. Give me your hand.
You can have them both if you let. You like me?
I adore you. I beg you, give me your hand.
I'm having a bit of trouble getting up.
The hand of my husband. Do not deny me my one wish.
What's that?
Give me your hand.
You can have them both if you let go my pants.
Oh! Tonino has found Beatrice!
We have a witness. Signor Florindo,
At your service, Signora.
will you witness the betrothal?
Of course, I would be delighted. But could I have just one word with the lucky man?
Don't go back. I'll be back in a flash.
Aren't you being a little hasty?
No, she's a lot keener than the other one.
The other one?
In there, the old fellow's daughter. She won't do it on the spot like this one.
You wanted to marry the judge's daughter?
I had it in writing.
In writing? Yet now you want to marry?
Yes, this one.
Oh, but you can't.
But why?
This isn't Arabia. You're allowed only one wife.
Okay, then I'll have this one.
Oh, but the judge will have you arrested.
What for?
For breach of promise. He's got it in writing.
But I like her. She likes me.
Tell that to the judge there.
Sorry, it's off.
My dearest.
It's off. The wedding's off.
But why?
Because this isn't Arabia.
Tonino! Tonino! I'm once again abandoned, and alone and unprotected. He reviles me and rebuffs me. I'm wretchedly rejected.
Beatrice!
Tonino!
Tonino loves another.
No!
Tonino woos another.
No!
Tonino seeks another.
No!
Tonino wants another. Time to take another. Yes, my dearest. Time to take another bow. I want you. I love you.
For beer, senor! For beer, for sheep! For in my heart there burns one flame. While there's breath within this frame, I'll use it to proclaim one name. Senino!
Beatrice!
Senino!
Patrice! Signora, I've heard you call and hurry to your side.
Senor, she'd never call for you. For you, she can't abide.
Senor, I have a claim on her which cannot be denied.
Oh, Signora, I deny you both. I'm Tonino's bride.
I want you. I love you.
I love you.
Oh, they make attack on both my plans. As trouble comes in serried ranks, to Cupid must I give thanks, or is this one of Fortune's pranks?
Patrice.
Tonino, Micchioi,
Amore, Micchioi.
Furore.
Florindo, Traditore. I'm as supple and swift as an Arabic stallion. Like an Arabic stallion, I ride now. Alone I will dare to defy a battalion to recover my bride now. You're an insolent puppy. Your cheek is infernal. But I am so noble I spare you. But you, that I love with an ardor fraternal, Florindo, you traitor, how dare you! You have followed your Romany road, and feared our betrothal was blighted. But we trusted in honor and love as our code, as true lovers are now reunited.
Vendetta! Furore!
Nevermore we'll part from one another. Never will I lose the sight of thee. Nevermore will I define my own fate. Never will I lose my chosen mate. No, we'll never ever separate. No, nevermore you'll part from me. No, nevermore you'll part from me.
And now to win Rosina's hand today. But lo, in happy time, the jeweler, Signor, my worthy friend, a word with you.
Marhaba, Saidi Pedocrazio, your humble servant. What can I do for you?
Stand further off! Some jewels that I hold in careful trust.
They are fine jewels, Saidi.
But yet I fear that time hath grimed them. Time hath grimed them. Time hath dulled their light with obscure hand. They're dirty!
Well, you'd better find the jeweler and have them cleaned.
I found the jeweler.
Oh, that was quick.
I have just the thing here. This will bring them up nicely. But be careful. It's deadly poison. Straight from Arabia.
Poison?
Yes. One lick of this powder. And you are dead.
Well, 2 licks hopefully. But you'll be careful, won't you, Saidi? Shukran jazilan, Saidi. No, just the one.
Unpolished hill, these gems will win the jewel. Soon as this powder kills the rustic fool. Good constable, the jewels were a gift. And here's the giver. Come in happy time.
Oh, my jewels!
Those here, oh foolish constable, they're his. He gave. Nay, press them firm into my hand.
No, I didn't.
Thou gavest them to me in the judge's house.
You are a bloody liar.
Was this in handcuffs? My reputation gone. My name besmirched. I shall find witnesses. I shall find witnesses. And you can never find the policeman when you want.
Take him away. Hey, what about my jewels? My jewels! I'm sick of this bloody town. I should have never come to Verona in the first place. Well, I'm getting out. And you know where I'm going? I'll tell you anyway. 10 miles from Bergamo, there's a little one-horse town. 10 miles beyond Bergamo, I'm going to put my saddle down. I'm going back on the track to Jindiwara back, because Jindiwara back's the home for me. There's an old-fashioned shack back in Jindiwara back. For today, I'm going back on the track to Jindiwara back. It's the grandest home in all of Italy. I'm a small town boy, never meant to be a loner. I'll never ever see Verona. I'll never ever have to see Cremona. I'm going back on the track to Jindiwara back. Windy Jindiwara back.
I wash my hands of Verona. What a city! It sealed the fate of Romeo and the girl, and it very nearly destroyed the happiness of Tonino and Beatrice. But now we are going home to Venice, where men are upright and decent.
Oh, witness! Any man who'll go with me to the court and thereabouts my blameless soul to go down. Now that I hold you, sir, admit thou press the box of gems into my hand.
That is correct.
He that confess. Come tell this to the judge.
Oh, you'll be better off taking that fellow with you. He gave me the jewels.
Hey, make up your bloody mind.
I took them under protest and asked this man to restore them to their rightful owner.
That's you.
What care I for gold and silver? I have my honor, and now I am going home to Venice.
One door closes, another door closes.
I can't leave yet. I have to see Rosina again. I can't get her out of my mind. I'll give it one last go. Just... Oh, yes. Oh. But soft, what light through yonder broken window? Rosina!
Senor Zinetto, you mustn't come here anymore.
I'm sorry about the stone. Please, can I come up and see you?
No, Daddy would be very angry.
But why? Aren't we going to get married?
Well, he does still have the contract.
And I did sign it.
And then you said you won't marry me.
No, I didn't. Please let me come up. I'm getting a crick in the neck.
You can't come up.
Then you come down here. Please. It's very important.
You'll have to say it from there.
Okay. All right. Little girl at the window, gazing out the window at the city. Come on down, little girl. See the town, little girl. With this boy. Your boy. Oh, boy.
Little boy on the doorstep. Daddy is a judge. Daddy has to guard his daughter's virtue. Little boy on the doorstep. Daughter mustn't budge.
Look at me. You'll see. I won't hurt you.
Little boy on the doorstep. Thinking I'm a prude. Little boy, you're thinking I'm a churl. See me blush, little boy. See me flush, little boy. What's the rush, little boy? With a girl. This girl who's in a whirl.
Little girl at the window, see the pretty lights. Shake your pretty head and let your hair down. Little girl at the window, see the pretty sight. Come along, I'll even pay your fare down.
Little boy on the doorstep, don't be such a clown.
Come on down, little girl. Enjoy a little spree.
Go away, little kid.
Come and play, little kid.
Little boy,
Little girl.
with me. You're so ardent now. Yet earlier this morning, sometimes you seem like two different people.
Yeah, I'm a bit of an enigma, ain't I?
You're making fun of me. You don't love me at all.
It's my Tonino talking with a young woman.
But I do love you. I love you so much that I don't know. A bull without a cow, a cock without a hen, a pig without a pork. I love you so much that
Oh, perfidious, faithless lover, oh, cruel deceiver! How shall my mind recover from this its mortal fever? For you I dare my father's wrath. For you I gave up home and earth. For you I trod a gypsy path. I shall follow love, the madman. I shall wander without sleep. I shall walk the walls at midnight. I shall take the lover's leap. I shall rend my maiden garment. I shall burst the chain of reason. I shall break its fetters. But first, I shall return your letters.
Now, where were we?
Oh, Perfidy!
Huh?
Faithless, clever, cruel deceiver! You have a mistress already. Leave my sight. No, wait. I will show you how much I hate you. You can have your contract back.
Oh, big spoon! If it's going to be like this all the time, I don't think it's worth getting married.
And another thing. Oh, he's gone. Look at this. I, Zenetto, promised to give my hand to Signora Rosina this day. Oh, men! No! Don't try to apologize! It's too late! Take this, you Perfidy, Butterfingers!
Take your vessels. This strikes my bosom worse than thistles. Take this and this and this. And now my fickle, false, and faithless friends, behold your Beatrice as she goes round the bend.
But Beatrice! Beatrice! How very odd. I have never betrayed Beatrice. And as for the other girl, what is this document she threw at me? Contract of marriage. What does it say? Between Signora Rosina and Signor Zenetto. This is a forgery. But what's this? Witnessed at Bergamo? Perhaps this is not a forgery. Perhaps there is a wedding planned here. Am I right? Signora, the young lady of this house, Signora Rosina, is to marry Signor Zenetto. Have you seen him? I imagine he looks rather like me. But perhaps a little, how shall we say, rough around the edges?
There he is! Ignacio Brecker! Talking as though nothing had happened! Oh, shut up, Gizzleguts!
How very extraordinary. My twin brother here in Verona. I must find him.
And you can stay out till you mend your manners! Don't talk to me about manners, you big dog! Oh, Signor, if you'd heard the things she was saying about you.
My girl, you will lose your job if you insult your mistress.
No way, the judge won't sack me. I know too much.
About him?
And about her.
Well, what about her?
About where she comes from.
She comes from Verona if she's the judge's daughter.
If she is the judge's daughter.
You mean she is not the judge's daughter?
God, you're quick.
Then whose daughter is she?
No one knows. She was found on the high road by a traveler.
On the high road? Whereabouts? Whereabouts?
I don't know.
Please try to remember. This is very important.
Now, let me think. It's starting to come back to me. She was found halfway between Venice
And
and Bergamo.
how old?
Only a baby.
And this traveler brought her to Verona.
And sold it to the judge.
And perhaps was there a locket with two portraits?
Isn't there always?
Then it must be her. It can be no other than...
Then who?
Than my long-lost sister Kylie. Oh, heavens, I have found a sister. A sister and a brother in one day. Now I must find Zenetto, expose myself to him, then tell him who I am, and share our happy news.
But your daughter is too young.
Oh, no, she's not.
But she's too unready.
Oh, no, she's not.
But she's too innocent.
Oh, no, she's not.
Get inside this mid, you saucy little girl.
You watch it. They've got the goods on you, Your Honor.
But sir, this haste.
We must go through with it. She's to marry Signor Zenetto.
But she's thrown the contract in his face.
I'll make up another. I want to see them married by sunset.
By sunset. Then despite my cunning wiles, Rosina will unto my bed be lost. Unless my fertile brain can spawn some trick. In the loo, the woodcock walks towards the spring.
Signor Pancrazio, oh Signor, I don't know what to do. I'm in despair.
Despair?
Yes.
Poor wounded buck. Come tell the wood.
Nobody loves me. Nobody wants me. The women all insult me and chuck things at me. I'm going to throw myself off the stage. Ah!
Then clearly, thou was not born to wed.
Well, what I'm going to do? Weren't you ever in love? I mean, when you're young. Younger?
I was.
What did you do for it?
Means thou had I some remedy for love?
Yes, that's what I wanted.
Adolescent love I found the scars as I